The question for this presentation is what all is included in the company secretary service in your various packages. What services are not included or chargeable at extra cost. So let's start and let's have a look on this. So the secretary service is included in many of our packages as well as it is available standalone. So we basically have two types of clients. The clients who are primarily foreigners and who avail a package from us which consists of nominee director, address, company secretary, filing services and so on. Sometimes the local companies will also avail our services on a standalone basis. So in this case we are only offering a secretary. One of the things that people are concerned is many secretarial companies first publish a standard price and then subsequently they may tell you that there's something extra needs to be done which is mandatory and for which there is an extra charge of maybe $300 or maybe there is a filing cost of $200, thereby pushing the total secretarial cost to an higher amount. So I'm going to show you our packages first. So this is our website and if you go to the foreigner package, then this foreigner package includes the company secretary cost. So company secretary service for 1 year is included in this. And if you go to all pricing, the company secretary service is also available as a standalone service for majority of our local customers. Now I want to show you another example of this pricing. And I think this is one of the competitors website and they are advertising this service as $288. But you will notice that in some cases, there is a star over here. For example, preparation of minutes for EGM and EGM is at extra cost. E-stamping of share transfers is at extra cost. Passing of resolution for any company changes is at extra cost. And lodgement is also at an extra cost. Now, while these lodgements and passing of resolution might not happen in every company, preparation of minutes for AGM and EGM is definitely required for every company every year. And for this star, what it means is admin fees are applicable. And you wouldn't know what these admin fees are. So if these admin fees are added of $200, $300, the real cost of corporate secretary still comes to be slightly higher. So to avoid this confusion, in this presentation I will explain you what is included and what is not part of this secretary cost. Please note I have similar video for our nominee director service also. So in case you have doubts, you can refer to that. So the things those are included in our secretary service package are as follows. Appearing as a named company secretary. So one of our staff will appear as a company secretary for your company in the records, which is a mandatory requirement by Companies Act in Singapore. We will maintain the company records, registers, all declarations and all the relevant documents in a compliant manner because we are trained in this and we know this topic very well. We will file the financial statements and annual return for your company. The statements needs to be provided by you unless you avail our accounting services. So this is a ACRA filing at the end of the year. And we will also file your tax return provided you can give us all the required details. So these are the 4 services which are included in the company secretary service for your company. Now what is not included? So if you check in accounting section, so the accounting related services which are not included in this package are accounts completion. Obviously because that will depend upon the volume of transactions and the complexity of accounting. So we will provide you a specific code for this in case you want to avail it from us. If XBRL preparation is required for your company, then that is not covered in the pack because XBRL preparation tend to be a bit complicated and need enough time. Financial statement preparation is normally not included in the secretary service. So accounting completion and financial statement preparation needs to be done by you. Obviously, we provide it as an additional service also. However, if you are availing our foreigner package where nominee director and secretary both these services are taken from us, then the preparation of financial statement is also included in this package. So there is a slight difference when we offer this for foreigner package and a standalone package for local customers. There are few more services which are not included in this secretary service, which are related to additional company filings. So in case in your company, if you change the address of your company, or if there is an additional issue of shares, that means you are bringing in a new shareholder in your company, or if there is a sale of shares, that means you are transferring your shares from one shareholder to another, or there is change in the directors of the company, or there is change in the constitution of the company, and anything on these lines. These are the major transactions that comes to my mind. But if there is anything else, then all those services are not included in standard secretary service. So the charges will depend on case to case basis and depends on the complexity. So in summary, standard secretary package includes all the necessary things that most of the companies need. If you need any additional service, then that will be chargeable on a case to case basis.
Thank you for watching this video. This video was brought to you by Epica Consulting Singapore. Subscribe to our channel today to get notified when new videos are posted.